me to put on my new diffuser. First thing, you gotta take off the old diffuser. Then you gotta start off with taking off these push pins. And you take off the push pin right here. Once you get out that push pin, you gotta take out these 4, I think 7mm. Take them out. You get you one of these, 7mm. Take out this one. After you do that, now you can pull it. Make sure it come off.
You better stop doing that.
You take all the screws out, push pins out, you just pull it out. Go out with the old, go on with the new. Once you put them mugs, once you put them back in the groove, then you go back to the push pins. Put the push pin back in.
God damn.
Finishing touch.